Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Magic Studio and Magic Design for video. So welcome to another episode of Canva Motion Secrets. My name is Mike, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create magic videos using Canva. So the first thing that you'll do is you'd find in your account Magic Studio. So go there and you'll see a few other options here. They have Magic Design, Magic Design for presentations, and Magic Design for video. Also Magic Write and Switch, Animate, Morph. Also have text to video and text to image. So in this video we'll focus on Magic Design for video. So just click on try Magic Design. As you can see, it's a 1920 by 1080. So just choose your media, say this one. So let's say the description is video to promote the Philippines first presidential park in Santa Laguna. Okay, so once you're done, you just click on generate or press enter. So be sure you have actually either a pro or a Teams plan. So this is part of the Magic Studio. So if you're not yet subscribed to Pro or Teams, I'll place the link in the description of this video. So let's click on generate. So let's just wait for a few seconds. And your video is already generated. So let's try to preview it. Now that looks great. So this one, the logo is actually from one of my brand kits. You can easily replace it, or you can adjust also the text in here, manually adjust it. So let's say I just try to replace logos, let's say this one, and you can make changes to it or just click on publish. You can download it as a video. So if you have a Pro or Teams account, you can do up to 4K. The default is 1080. You can also have a GIF export, and you can likewise share it as a link for others to view. So anyone with the link, you can easily embed this. You have a public view link as well, and can easily schedule it on your social media. So on YouTube. So these are the accounts that I've connected already. So actually it's missing YouTube right now, but there you have it. So that's Magic Designs for video. So I hope you like this video, and be sure to subscribe so you won't miss on the other videos. See ya.